What's up, guys? It is Dante down here at Raceway Kia, 610-931-6939. Guys, you can text me if you have any Kia questions or text me ideas what videos you might like to see. Behind me, we have this beautiful 2025 Kia Carnival EX Ceramic Silver. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set the power lift gate to smart open when you walk behind it. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, so in my hand here, I got the key fob. I'm walking behind the car and nothing, right? So now imagine if you got groceries in your hands, a couple bags, you know, the kids' sporting goods bags, lacrosse, you name it, right? Right? Obviously on the remote, you can open it up like this. You hold the button, it'll beep, it'll open up, right? So you throw everything into the trunk, such as that huge box, and you're done and you go, all right, let's close it up. So you hit that button and it's done. But how do we do this the smarter way? Let me show you how and where to set it. All right, guys, so we are inside the Kia Carnival EX. Beautiful car, beautiful car. First, we're going to start the car up, and we're going to see the touchscreen. So I want to go back to the main menu. So this is how your touchscreen is going to start up. So how do we get to the driver convenience or the settings to adjust this? Well, it's very simple. At first, you're going to swipe over, and you're going to then click Setup. And from there, you're going to then go to Vehicle. From Vehicle, Door, and then now you're going to see automatically lock, unlock, two-press unlock. The power lift gate is already turned on. As you could see earlier in the video, it opened up. We have power lift gate opening speed. That's set to fast. That's great. But now we're going to turn on the smart lift gate feature. So let's just turn it on. Green means on. Now I'm going to turn the car off, and I'm going to show you how it works. All right, guys, on this remote, I'm going to lock the car. EX model, mirrors fold in, right? Now, just a little fun fact that I learned with trial and error, you do have to wait about 15 to 20 seconds before it's fully set. So if you try it right now and it doesn't work, you're going to get very frustrated. You're going to go back into the radio touchscreen and you're going to think, I don't understand. This video should be easy, right? So let's just be patient a little. 1,000, 1,000, blah, 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 blah. Should be good. I'd say that's about 15 seconds. So now I've got the key fob on me. I'm going to throw it in my pocket. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to approach the back of the vehicle. So let's do this live. It's going to beep at us when we stop. 4 beeps. And there we go. Just like that, guys. So it's very easy. So, all right, guys. So hopefully this quick, short video gave you a little bit of insight on your brand new Kia Carnival. This, of course, will work the exact same way on all the 24 and 2025 Kias that are equipped with the smart power tailgate. Again, it's in the infotainment screen, the settings, the vehicle, the door, and you're going to set smart liftgate on. So again, to close it up now, we're going to have the power button up here. Hit that button. It's going to automatically close down, or I could, of course, use the key fob, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, or text me if you ever have any Kia questions or you need some advice on your new Kia purchase. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a great day.